The numbers that we get here in the console, in the place for red error messages, are written because of another line that I want to teach to you. Is the line console.log, and it helps us understand if there is something wrong with our code, if we will be able to understand where when our code is executed. For example, if I write console.log here, I have to write around brackets after it, and in double quotes I can write the message that I want to appear in the console here. So if I want to say hello, I am ugly, I can write it like this, save my code, and when I refresh, this is going to be spammed a lot. You can see this number here increasing because each time that the draw function is called, which is really often, so we can see smooth animation. So the draw is happening a lot of times each second, and each of those times not only my context point few rects are executed to draw a rectangle, now also my console.log is executed and a message is printed here. You can see that another messages are appearing too, and those messages are special because they not only tell me some text that is written in the console.log command, but they also tell me some numbers, and I think you know what those numbers mean. I will experiment with those numbers now. So I can click here, and the numbers that are shown are 583, 363, and I hope you can guess that 583 is the distance from the place I clicked to the left corner, and 363 is the distance from here, the place that I clicked, to the upper side of the canvas. So yes, those are the coordinates that I've clicked. And this could be really helpful when I try to choose good numbers for my context.fillRect commands. For example, if I want to have a rectangle drawn here, from here to, for example, here, I can be really thankful to those numbers, because those two numbers are exactly without any change the first two numbers that I'm going to write in my context.fillRect. So I'm going to write exactly 192, 291. But I have to write two more numbers. If I try to execute my command like this, I get bigger error message saying I require 4 arguments, 4 numbers in the round brackets. You gave me only 2. And we really need numbers to say the height, the width and the height of the rectangle that we are drawing. But the numbers that I had before, none of them is a good number for width and height. I want you to think if my hint now could be helpful for you. Those numbers could be useful to evaluate the width and the height of the rectangle tool. Perhaps there is an easy evaluation you can do, and you will know what should be the width and the height of our food. Think about it, try your exact evaluations, and perhaps you will be able to choose better numbers for the hands, for the head, to try it yourself.